Next, we'll understand what are the different types of node modules are present, and based on your requirement, how do you use these node modules, right? So the first thing is, in any case, you have three types of node modules. Okay, three types. One is node modules. One is the global node modules, or I would say global dependencies, right? And the second thing is local or project level. And the third thing is development dependencies, right? So global are the one which we can be shared or reused across multiple projects. Okay, and how do you run this, or how do you install these global dependencies? So this particular dependencies will be saved in your library, in your system, which can be accessible to all the Node.js project. So npm install package name with a flag -g. So when you put on the -g, it indicates that this particular package should be installed in the global dependencies folder, so that it can be accessible from anywhere and to any project. Okay, then we have local or project level, which we have seen here. So for this to work, you can use npm install package name --save. So this save flag indicates that the dependency should be added inside the package.json. So if anybody wants to use it, it will be installed when in the subsequent npm install commands, right? And the last thing is development dependencies. So along with local and global dependencies, there is another dependencies which is called as dev dependencies, which means that they are only installed during the development phases and they are ignored in the production phase. So why is this needed? Because while developing, we might use a lot of libraries like to reload the application, to ignore certain errors, to ESLint, to show some errors while you're coding. Because all of these, if you add it to the production bundle, when you're releasing your application to production environment, all of these are not really needed, because nobody will check the errors or warnings in the production. The code, like the error, right now, if I show you, if I make any mistake like this, so it is showing me an error, right? How is this possible? All these are possible because of the ESLint modules which we have installed, which I have installed globally. But if you want to install locally, then just in the development phase, what you can do is npm install package name --save dev. So when you do this, so let me show you, right? Let me install a module so that you'll understand. Npm install nodemun. Okay, nodemun -save dev. So now when I install this, nodemun is used to restart the application whenever you make some changes. But yeah, when you run this command, now what it creates is, if you see in the package.json, right? So it created another key called as dev dependencies, right? So along with the dependencies, you have another key now, dev dependencies. So whenever you are using the npm install command in the production environments, when the env value is prod, then this particular libraries will be ignored. So that's how you decide like which all dependencies are needed in the local and development, and which are needed in the global, so that it can be shared across multiple projects. So it's good to know all of these things. Yes.